Hi guys, I'm Kenine Crooner Finn Austin there, and today I'm going to do this donkey quiz. It says, which donkey are you? It says you're the first one of your friends to arrive at a party, and you don't know anyone else there. What do you do? Talk to anyone and everyone. I'm sure they're all friendly. I'm gonna click next. What traits do you look for most in a friend? I'm calm and quiet and happy to be just us two. Okay. It says you're out for a meet and your friend wants to share your food and try what you're having. How do you react? I like chicken fries. Chicken fries are meat, so sure, you try mine, and I'll try yours. What? We're not allowed to steal people's food. And your friend wants to share your food. Yeah, I should pick this one. What's your idea of a good night? So, let me pick one. Okay, let's see. A get-together with all my friends, and their friends can come too. I'm just going to pick this one. Which one do you find the worst? I love dogs, so I'm not going to pick this one. Oh! Which one do you find the worst? This is not the worst because dentists do not hurt, but when we have drills, it does hurt a little bit. So drills are the worst, but not the water part or anything at the dentist, just the drill. Which food would you prefer to eat? I'm just gonna pick spring greens. You're running a race. How would you describe your tactics? Just gonna click this one. I think it's submitting. Is it loading? Okay. Okay. It's still going. So, if you were planning a long weekend break, where would you go? I'm just gonna click this one. You're walking home and it starts raining. What do you do? I don't like rain, but I never ride a bus or a taxi, so I'm not picking this one. I don't like rain though. I better speed up and get home, and I don't want to get too wet, so I'm gonna pick this one. And finally, which word do you associate with the most? I'm cute. I'm just gonna click cute. I'm a junior. Yep, so I'm a junior, like a donkey junior. Pleased to meet you. You have been matched with Junior. And everybody's friend like Junior, you love meeting new people, making friends, and letting people know you care. Junior is often the first person at the fence you meet visitors. Like Junior, you don't mind taking the first step in having fun. Yep, so I'm a junior. So here's this donkey quiz. Like, I'm a junior donkey, so here's this donkey quiz. So goodbye and have a good day.